Today we're going to be doing a Dockmate install on a 66 Sunseeker Manhattan. We're doing it for the owner's birthday. Super excited about his new toy. It's also a safety tool as well as a needed piece of equipment for docking. So she has S-Link bow thruster and IPS pod Volvo joystick. Let's see how it comes out. The owner chose to have the install in the flybridge helm to make it more seamless while coming in from docking. So we're gonna go ahead and install her right here. So we'll go ahead and start the install now. All right, just finished installing a Dockmate on a 66 Sunseeker Manhattan 2019. We got our laptop set up with our dock control 2. We've already dialed it all in. We retested all the helm controls, so all that stuff works. So I'll go ahead and turn this on. 3 seconds. Just like that. Green light means she's claimed. I'll test the bow thrusters. Beautiful. And then walk with me back here and we'll go ahead and test the actual engine controls. So I'll go ahead and I'll twist. Beautiful. I'll twist. Beautiful. And now we'll go ahead and do our range test. So you want to always go to the furthest points. So I'll go to the swim platform. Standing back here, furthest point, I'll go ahead and I'll twist her for a second. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'll do a bump forward. All right, a bump back. All right, range here is good. Solid green light. We'll go to the bow. Maybe stop at a midship. All right, so I'll go sideways. Yep, she responds pretty good. I'll keep going. So I'm all the way here at the bow now. I'll do a bow thrust. All right, we'll go starboard. We'll go port. Now that I've put her all the way around, I'll honk the horn. She's good. We'll call the owner, do an owner orientation, and then I'm sure they'll be happy with the product. Okay, so after the install, why did you choose Dockmate?
Because I watched a captain single-handedly dock his mega yacht all by himself. Grabbed the lines all from this remote control. And I was amazed that it took one person to handle a mega yacht.
Do you feel like the Dockmate's gonna help you going forward now in your docking experiences?
100%, because my husband will no longer yell at me to grab lines and get out of the way and hurry up, and he's all on his own now. So yes, it's going to change my life completely.
By myself.
Yeah.
Well, we appreciate your business and thank you for choosing Dockmate.
Absolutely.